Yeah, you glad you walked in here? Just say good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm doing my video on not letting my Sisterlocks consume me because of the looks that we were getting in Walmart the other day. And I said to you that maybe some people might be thinking, who did her weave? Yeah, so I just took my braids that I had hanging down, and now I'm just going to show you what I did. And I took it on back and put it on my goodie clips. But I'm not going to make you sit here and wait till after I finish my video. I'm going to go ahead and give you your hug so you can head on back to school. Oh, love you. Love you too. And drive safely. Okay. Oh, yeah, my little girl. Yeah, she had to come in and tell me that I was not recording, and I had already taken down this much hair. So now you already know what this video is all about. And I have 3 more in the back to take out. When I thought I was recording, I had already thanked my subscribers. So that means that I haven't thanked you yet. For your continued support, for all that you do to help me build this channel. Thank you. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos, as well as commenting on the video. Thank you so much for all that you do. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I just want to know what you are waiting on. Go ahead. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload a video. And you won't be missing out. Yes. This is the way I'm wearing my hair today. And it will not consume me. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. His mercies are new every morning. He is faithful. He has said that He would never leave me or forsake me, and He hasn't. And I am so grateful for all that He's done in my life. Have a wonderful day.